rediscovered a CXF file from your old Picasa photo projects? This is a collage layout from Google's beloved but discontinued photo organizer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explore your options for opening these Picasa Collage files and recovering your photo arrangements. Pro tip: for CXF files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. CXF files are collage project files created by Google Picasa, the discontinued photo management application. They contain collage layout definitions, including photo placement positions, sizing, cropping parameters, background settings, border styles, and arrangement templates that Picasa used to compose multiple photos into artistic collage compositions. CXF files are collage project files created by Google Picasa, the discontinued photo management application. They contain collage layout definitions including photo placement positions, sizing, cropping parameters, background settings, border styles, and arrangement templates that Picasa used to compose multiple photos into artistic collage compositions. System file recognition for CXF is optimized for Google Picasa by Google LLC. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows may preview the artwork, but refinement must occur in compatible design applications. We are checking the installed software landscape. Right-click your CXF file and choose Open With. Test Google Picasa first if installed. If not, select another application. Often, a lesser-known tool works perfectly. Before we jump to the universal fix, let's understand why the file is failing. Here are the most common technical reasons you're seeing this error. First, opening in Picasa. If you still have Google Picasa installed, open the CXF file by double-clicking it or using File, then open within Picasa. The collage editor displays the photo arrangement with all positioning and formatting. Note that Picasa has been discontinued by Google, so existing installations may not be available on newer operating systems. Next, examining the XML structure. Rename the CXF file to bot.xml and open it in a text editor or web browser to view the collage structure. Identify the referenced image file paths and their placement coordinates. This information helps you manually recreate the collage arrangement in another photo editing application using the original source images. Finally, recreating in modern software. Use Google Photos. Collage features Canva or Adobe Express to recreate the collage layout. Reference the image paths and arrangement from the CXF file's XML data. Import the same source photos into your chosen modern collage tool and manually position them to match the original Picasa collage design as closely as possible. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.